What is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. We're actually going to be installing a short shifter on the E46 today. I'm very excited for this mod because I really hate my old shifter, but it also came with an M series shift knob. I'm not too sure how I feel about it because I know some of y'all do think it's a ricer thing to add like an M series part on the Bmw that's not an M series, but y'all guys let me know if I should run that shift knob or just use my regular shift knob, the one I have right now. But I'm currently waiting on the package. I did read some forums that you gotta sand the new shifter down in order to fit perfect, so that's what I'm about to go do while I wait on the package. So let's go get the sandpaper. Alright guys, we're back from the store. I just picked up the sandpaper. I didn't know what size to get, so I bought one that comes with a combo. But I'm about to go ahead and jack up the car, that way when the short shifter arrives, I'll have the old one out. So let's get to work. First I'm gonna change the clothes though, because I don't want to get my clothes dirty. So let's go. Guys, my car looks so good. I actually went back to the regular black grills. If any one of y'all want the carbon fiber grills, let me know. I got them for the low. But my Bmw doesn't look that bad. But let's go ahead and go get changed. Alright guys, the package still haven't arrived. I'm about to go ahead and start this. I'm gonna put this in 4th gear. That way I can pull the shift knob easily. I'm gonna take this off, the trim pieces off. Hey, pull it out guys. This is my old shift knob. No, just a cheap little shift knob. Now I'm about to go ahead and take this out. Alright guys, your shifter is supposed to have some kind of like I don't know what it is, something that covers this. My car doesn't have it, so I might go to AutoZone and get it, because no wonder my car is so loud from the inside. The bushing, I think what it's called. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go buy that because I didn't know my car didn't come with one. So I'm about to go ahead and remove this trim piece. It's only held by like Phillips heads, and this trim piece should come off. I really need to redo my carbon fiber too, but let's go ahead and take this out. Okay, so guys, I just got this trim piece out. We had to disconnect some plugs and stuff, but I'm about to go under the car, take that seat clamp off, and then I'll show y'all guys what to do next. Like I said, I have not done this before, but I've seen a couple of videos and it looks pretty simple, so I'm doing it as I go. So let's go. Alright guys, safety first. Let's go down there. I don't know if you can really see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and show you how it is, because my DSLR don't fit down here. I need to invest in like a Canon G7X, but yeah, I'll just show you how to click once I have it out. Alright guys, this is the little clamp. All you gotta do is pull it out. It's easier said than done, but there was a little hassle to pull out, but we got it. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but I got that little piece loose. It's facing the ground now. Now all I gotta do is get a flathead and take this out, or you know, some clamps, and the whole shifter's out. So that's pretty easy. It wasn't that hard. I'm gonna just wait for the new shifter to come and we'll pick up the vlog. But let me go ahead and take this out and show you guys. Okay guys, so I got a flathead and I was twisting it and I heard a little click, and now it should come right off. Let's go. There you go. That was pretty easy. Let me see if I can show you the part that I was talking about, if I can reach down there. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but that's holding on to right here, and all you gotta do is just get a flathead and pull it out. But then guys, there go the shifter, stock Bmw shifter. Let's just go ahead and wait on this shifter. I'll pick the vlog when it's here. Guys, the shifter finally got here. I'm super excited. It looks way better than the old one. The shift knob, and it also came with a little clamp. I'm so excited, but let's go ahead and install this because I'm ready to drive my car and see how it feels. Alright guys, I'm about to go ahead and sand it down a little bit. I don't want to sand it too much, but just enough so the clamp can hold. Well, let's go ahead and sand it down. guys, well, I'm about to go ahead and put it in, and then I'll pick up the vlog once the shifter is on, because I got to go under the car and put it on. I'm gonna leave a video down below where it explains very good how to install this. I'm just making a little video for you guys, but if you want to know how to really install this, I have a video in the description that I've been watching all the steps, and so far it's a very good video, and this is a short video, so I'll pick up the video once I got this on. Guys, I love the new short shifter, guys. Look at the gears. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is reverse. It's so short. I'm about to go give it a test drive. I'm gonna put the trim pieces back on and everything. To be honest, this shift knob feels so good. Like, I might keep it in my car. Let me know if I should keep it or sell it. I don't know, but let me go ahead and put everything back and we should be good. Ooh, guys, my E46 is coming together. I'm growing in that shift knob. I don't know. Let me know if I should sell it or keep it. I don't know. I know y'all might think it's a right thing, but the shift knob feels good and it's like very comfortable to drive in. I can't wait to start on this handliner. That should be the next video, or the touchscreen radio. But my car is very dirty because I was coming in and out while I was working on the floor. But I'm about to go give it a test drive. Hopefully it rides all good and I have no problems. So let's go. Guys, it was a good tip to tell you that to wear safety glasses. Look at my face, it's all covered in grease. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because it's very cold and I'm already done with this mod. I tried to record some clips of me driving, but it was just not working out. But just know it drives very good. I'm super happy that I ordered this. And comment down below what should be the next part for the interior. The headliners, y'all want me to start working on that, or y'all want me to get a touchscreen radio, or like any other mod like headers or something like that. I'm gonna be putting my wheels back on since it's not snowing no more, I don't think. So stay tuned for that too. So yeah guys, if you are new to the channel, subscribe, comment, and like the video. You know, all that good stuff. But yeah, I guess that's it. I don't think I'm missing nothing else. But yeah guys, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.